Suppose we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, such that these two triangles are of same size and shape. And if we try to place this triangle PQR on triangle ABC, let's say we try to place this triangle PQR on triangle ABC, then it covers exactly triangle ABC completely. This PQR covers triangle ABC completely. Why? Because they are of same size and shape. Therefore, we'll say that vertex P falls on vertex A. Vertex Q falls on vertex B. Vertex R falls on vertex C. Okay. Therefore, you'll say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR under correspondence PQR. Since we have written ABC first here, so let us write this ABC PQR. What it means? It means that P falls on A, that is, the P and A are corresponding vertices. Q falls on B. Q and B are corresponding vertices. R falls on C. R and C are corresponding vertices. So let's again repeat. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent under correspondence this. And if you are wondering that why is this important, it is really very important, and we will discuss this point very shortly. So what are the corresponding vertices? Corresponding vertices are from here only: P and A, Q and B, R and C. Now, since P falls on A, Q falls on B, R falls on C, that is, they are corresponding vertices. Therefore, since these two triangles are congruent, angle A will be equal to angle P. Angle B will be equal to angle Q. And angle C will be equal to angle R. So we can say that the corresponding angles are angle A and angle P, angle B and angle Q, angle C and angle R. Now, you can see here, this side PQ of this triangle AB falls along side AB of triangle ABC. Similarly, QR falls along BC, RP falls along CA. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and CA is equal to RP. So if someone asks you that what are corresponding sides, then you'll say that the corresponding sides are side AB and side PQ, side BC and side QR, side CA and side RP. These are the corresponding sides. Corresponding vertices, corresponding angles, corresponding sides of two congruent angles, that is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR under correspondence this ABC PQR. It means that P falls on A, Q falls on B, R falls on C, which we got from here. Now, let's discuss the importance of this correspondence. Suppose we have this two triangle again ABC and PQR, and it is said that these are of same size and shape. But when you try to superpose this triangle PQR on ABC, then rather than P falling on A, Q falling on B, R falling on C, rather than this, what will happen is that, let's say, R will fall on A, okay, and P will fall on B, and Q will fall on C. That is, R and A are corresponding vertices, P and B are corresponding vertices, and Q and C are corresponding vertices. Let's see what will happen. So triangle C, triangle P, what will happen is you'll have to rotate this triangle a little bit, okay, because what has been given to us is that this triangle PQR will superpose on triangle ABC but in some different way. So the what different way is given to us? It's given to us that after rotating it a little bit, R will come on A, P will fall on B, and Q will fall on C. That's why you will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR under correspondence So from here we have ABC. What's the corresponding vertex of A? That's R. Of B is P. Of C is Q. So can you see here? This correspondence ABC and RPQ is different from this one. Here ABC is corresponding under correspondence PQR. Okay. Therefore, if someone asks you that what will be corresponding vertices, we are talking about corresponding vertices. So the corresponding vertices will be, in this case will be A and R, B and P, C and Q. Now, since from this corresponding vertices we can say that angle A is equal to angle R, angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q. That's why I will say that corresponding angles will be what? Angle A and R, angle B and angle P, angle C and angle Q. Right? Now, since this RP falls along AB, PQ falls along BC, and QR falls along CA, therefore corresponding sides will be AB and RP, right? So first let me write it here, that side AB will be equal to side RP, side BC will be equal to side PQ, and side CA will be equal to side QR. So AB and RP, side BC and PQ, and side CA and side QR. These are corresponding sides. So clearly this condition of under correspondence is really very important because it tells us which vertex will fall on Which one?